If you're over 60 and you've decided to start exercising, first of all, congratulations. You're making one of the best choices for your health, independence, and quality of life. But before you lace up your sneakers or roll out your yoga mat, there's something you need to know. There's one mistake that almost every senior makes when they start exercising, and it can actually hold you back or even put you at risk. Today, I'm going to reveal what that mistake is, why it happens, and most importantly, how you can fix it for good. Let's be honest, starting a new exercise routine can feel overwhelming at any age. There's so much information out there. Should you walk, lift weights, stretch, do yoga, or try something else? Maybe you've seen friends or family members jump into intense workouts, or you've read articles promising quick results. But here's the truth. The number one mistake seniors make when exercising isn't about which exercise you choose or how hard you push. It's about skipping the most important step, proper warm-up and mobility work. That's right. The biggest mistake is jumping straight into exercise without preparing your body first. It's easy to think, I'll just start walking, or I'll do a few squats and see how it goes. But as we age, our muscles, joints, and connective tissues become less flexible and more prone to injury. If you skip the warm-up, you're not just making your workout less effective, you're increasing your risk of pain, stiffness, and even serious injury. Imagine this. You wake up, feel motivated, and decide to go for a brisk walk. But after a few minutes, your knees ache, your back feels tight, and you're out of breath. Or maybe you try a new exercise video, but your shoulders or hips start to hurt halfway through. It's frustrating and it can make you want to give up. But here's the contrast. Seniors who take just 5 to 10 minutes to warm up and mobilize their joints before exercising not only feel better during their workout, they recover faster, build more strength, and stay injury-free. So why do so many people skip this step? Part of it is habit. Maybe you never needed a warm-up when you were younger. Part of it is impatience. You want to get to the real exercise. And sometimes it's just not knowing what to do. But the science is clear. A good warm-up increases blood flow, wakes up your muscles, lubricates your joints, and prepares your body for movement. It's like turning on the engine before driving your car on a cold morning. Let's break down what a proper warm-up and mobility routine looks like for seniors. You don't need fancy equipment or a lot of space. All you need is a few minutes and a willingness to move gently and mindfully. Start with gentle marching in place. Stand tall, lift your knees one at a time, and swing your arms naturally. Do this for about 1 minute. This gets your heart rate up and starts to warm your muscles. Next, move to shoulder rolls. Stand or sit tall and slowly roll your shoulders forward in big circles, then backward. Do 10 circles in each direction. This helps loosen up your neck, shoulders, and upper back, areas that often get stiff, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. Now, try ankle circles. While sitting or standing, lift one foot off the ground and slowly rotate your ankle in a circle, 10 times in each direction. Switch feet and repeat. This simple move wakes up your ankles and helps prevent trips and falls. After that, do some gentle torso twists. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Place your hands on your hips or cross your arms over your chest and slowly twist your upper body to the right, then to the left. Do this 10 times on each side. This move loosens your spine and engages your core. Finally, finish with side steps. Stand tall, step to the right, bring your feet together, then step to the left. Repeat for 1 minute. This activates your hips and improves lateral stability, which is crucial for balance and fall prevention. This simple 5-minute routine is all you need to prepare your body for almost any type of exercise: walking, strength training, yoga, or even gardening. And here's the best part. You'll feel the difference immediately. Your joints will move more smoothly, your muscles will feel more awake, and you'll be less likely to experience pain or stiffness during or after your workout. But don't just take my word for it. Studies show that seniors who warm up properly before exercise have fewer injuries, better performance, and more enjoyment from their workouts. It's a small investment of time that pays off in a big way. Now, let's talk about how to make this a habit. The key is to treat your warm-up as a non-negotiable part of your routine, just like brushing your teeth or taking your medication. Set a timer, put on your favorite music, or do it with a friend. The more consistent you are, the more benefit benefits you'll see. And if you're already exercising but haven't been warming up, it's never too late to start. Add these moves to the beginning of your next workout and notice how much better you feel. If you have specific areas of stiffness or past injuries, spend a little extra time on those joints. Listen to your body, move gently, and never force a stretch or movement that feels painful. Let's recap. The number one mistake seniors make when exercising is skipping the warm-up and mobility work. The fix is simple. Take 5 to 10 minutes to prepare your body before every workout. You'll move better, feel better, and stay active for years to come. And remember, the best exercise routine is the one that keeps you safe, strong, and motivated. If you found this advice helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more senior fitness tips, and let us know in the comments where you're watching from and if you'll be adding a warm-up to your routine. Your body will thank you, and your future self will be glad you made this simple change.